Hey, sir, what are you doing on the road so early?
My life sucks and work starts at 5.
Your eyes are looking a little red there. Have you by any chance been staying awake recently?
I mean, I have kids.
You have kids. Yeah, so do criminals. Do you actually think that you're above the law? What the hell was that?
I was just yawning.
What time did you go to bed last night, sir?
10:30, 11 o'clock.
Freeze!
What?
Less than 7 hours of sleep on a weeknight? Are you out of your goddamn mind?
Can I just go to work now?
So you can stay awake some more? Get the fuck out of the car. When we get to the station, I'm putting you down for a long time.
Wait, for how long?
We're gonna get you a full 8 hours. No way I can sleep that long. You will in our brand new sleep number beds with memory foam toppers, but that'll ruin my sleep schedule. Guess you'll just have to reschedule.
No.
You're insane.
No. I'm vengeance.